Hi there, today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to register for the Study Destination Ambassador Program. There are 5 steps to join the program. It's super easy, and by the end of the video, you will be all set to start earning reward. Let's get started. Step 1. Register your account. First, go to the website Study Destination and find the ambassador, and then click on Register. Now, fill in your personal details. Your referral ID will be your unique tracking link. Make sure to choose something easy to remember. If you manage a social media page instead of a website, enter your social media URL in the design field. And then select your payment method. You can choose to receive payments via PayPal or paying wire transfers. Just simply enter your payment details. And then tick yes to the box and you are good to roll. Step 2. Registration approval. Once you have submitted your registration, you will receive a confirmation email. We manually review and approve every application, so the process may take up to 48 hours. Keep an eye on your inbox once your application is approved. Click the link into your email to set your password. Save it, and you are ready to log in. Step 3. Welcome video call. We will schedule a short video call to answer any questions you may have. During this call, we will also provide you with the tools and material you need to successfully refer students. Step 4. Access your dashboard. When you log in, make sure to select Affiliate Login before entering your details. Once you log in, you will have access to Ambassador Dashboard. Here you can access your unique referral link, and then copy your link and start sharing it with your network. When someone signs up using your link, they will be directed to the next step where they submit the details. From there, our expert team will contact them, guide them through the process. And then you can check the status of the referrals anytime in your Ambassador panel. Here you can see all your referrals and their current status. Step 5. Track your earnings. Your commission is released based on your client process. You can earn from $300 to $350 in each successful referral. Additional condition: ambassadors earn commission only for students enrolling in educational program in Australia. If the course tuition fees are under $3,000, the bonus will be 50% of the listed amount. Bonus will not be paid if the client cancels the course, and the commission time will reset annually based on the calendar year. Team Leader Opportunity. After 5 sales, ambassadors can become Team Leader Ambassadors, earning an additional $25 per sale made by their sub-ambassadors.